Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Satya Kamala. Hope you guys are doing well. So guys, in today's video, I'll be creating this very intense dramatic makeup look for this Navratri. So this will be a very dramatic look. So to know how I achieve this look, to continue watching. And if you're new to my channel, please take a moment to subscribe. Without any further delay, let's get into the video. So I already moisturized my face with a Requel oil-free mattifying moisturizer, and I applied some lip balm from Dr. Now we'll be directly moving on to the primer. I am gonna use the Rimmel matte primer. Such a beautiful primer. It mattifies my skin and makes my skin throughout mattified without leaving any kind of oil residue to my face. Next we'll be moving on to the another primer. This is from K Beauty. This is the orange correcting primer. So this has a peachy undertone. It's perfect for dark skin girls who has hyperpigmentation and under eye dark circles. So I really like this one. I generously applied around my mouth and on also on my under eyes, and also whatever remaining was there I just applied on my pimple mask, and it really blurs out, and at the end of the makeup it showed very nicely and blended beautifully into the skin. So next we'll be moving on to the foundation. For that I used the PAC Cosmetics foundation in the shade 3.3. So I'm just going to dot all over my face, and I'm gonna blend it with my beauty blender. Such a beautiful foundation for any festive makeup look, and blends beautifully into the skin. It has a medium to full coverage. Next, moving on to the concealer, I'm gonna use the PAC Spotlight concealer in the shade 12 to cover my hyperpigmentation, and to highlight I'm gonna use the shade 10. So here I used the shade 12 to cover, and I blended with the brush to get that maximum coverage from the beauty blender, and also it is little bit thicker than their spotlight concealer, sorry, the takeover concealer. So I just like to blend it with a brush, then I blended with a beauty blender to blend everything thoroughly. Next I use the shade 10 to highlight my face. I'm just going to dot on my under eyes and edge of my eyes, and also on bridge of my nose, and also my chin. So since I took a very small amount, I just went ahead and blended with the beauty blender itself. So next, to set this concealer in place, I'm gonna use the PAC translucent loose powder in the shade 05, I think. I'm gonna mention all the names, links, everything in the description box, so please go ahead and check that out. And just apply on the concealer, and to set my remaining face I'm gonna use the Too Faced compact powder. I'm just going to spread the loose powder and the compact powder throughout my face. It just sets the face very nicely mattified. Now directly we'll be moving on to the eye makeup. I'm gonna fill in my eyebrows with the Anastasia brow primer in the shade Ebony. It's been a while I used this product, so I thought let me go ahead and try with the pomade. And I actually forget about the product. It's a beautiful pomade. I just used a angle brush to fill in my sparse areas, and I blended the product with the spoolie. So now coming to the palette, I used the Forever 52 palette. I'm gonna take this black shade. I'm just going to apply this on my outer corner. I'm actually placing the product. I never started blending the product, so it looks a little bit messy, but end of the result you can see the beautiful smoky purplish kind of a look. So I'm just creating a I'm just tracing the outline of the look. I'm just placed the black eyeshadow, and then I'm gonna blend the black eyeshadow with this light brownish kind of a shade to just blend the edges. And then I'm gonna take an even lighter shade. This is the orange kind of a shade. When we mix with the brown, it also looks as a brown. So I'm just going to blend everything thoroughly and placing the shadows. So while blending, the shadows might go down, like it may become grayish, like the black turns like grayish when we blend. So I'll be keep on applying the shade and blending with a big blending brush. So next I'm gonna go with this shimmery purplish kind of a shade. I'm just going to apply this on my entire eyelid, and I'll be keep on intensifying the shade till I want how I wanted to have it is. So I'm just taking a flat brush to do that. So next I'm gonna take this purple shade to apply in between shimmery purple and a black shade to have that gradient effect. I'm just going to apply and blend it with a small blending brush. So it is a time taking process, but when I blended, it blended beautifully. So I just keep on intensifying, applying the shade and then blending. So I took 3 times to do this, and in third time it gave me how I wanted. And I'm going to take the same black shade and I'm going to create a cut crease kind of a thing. So as you can see, I'm just intensifying the shimmery shade and just blending everything nicely. I'm gonna take the same black and purple shade on my lower lashes to create a smoky effect. I'm gonna apply the darker shade on the outer half, and for the inner half I'm gonna take the purple shade. I'm just blending both of the shades to match the eye makeup. Now I'm gonna put some kajal. I'm gonna use the Lakme Iconic Insta Cool Kajal on my waterline. And for the eyeliner I use the e.l.f. Super Liner. So before that I'm just going to clean up the anything fallout and just cleaning everything to make it perfect. So here I used the e.l.f. eyeliner. So this is the first time I used this liner. I really liked it. It did not spoil my eye look. I was worried before using, but thankfully the eyeliner was really nice. And I curled my mascara and applied some I curled my lashes and applied some mascara. This is the L'Oreal Paris volumizing mascara. It's a waterproof one, so it hold my lashes. And for the falsies I used the Europe Girl Lash Extension lashes. So I used this style. So it's a very minimal. I really like this style to have this kind of a dramatic eye look. And going back to my face, I'm gonna bronze up my face with the Makeup Revolution and the Patricia Bright collaboration face palette. It's a Your Gold palette. I'm just going to take that contour shade. I'm just going to apply on my chin, forehead and jawline, and also I'm going to do my nose contouring with the same bronzer shade. It's so pigmented and took very small amount to create that. I'm just taking 2 different brushes to blend and place the shadows here. For the blush, I went with the Rimmel Maxi Blush in the shade Renteress. It's a pigmented purpley kind of a shade. It matches my eye look thoroughly. And for the highlighter I used the Becca Cosmetics highlighter in the shade Opal. So intense highlighter. I'm just going to apply on my highest points of my cheekbone, nose, forehead, on my inner corners of my eyes and brow bone. And here I'm doing my nose contouring with a small blending brush, and also I'm just rubbing with the beauty blender. For the lipstick I went with the Rene liquid lipsticks in the shade Mauvish and the Tower of Wine. So I'm just going to mention the shade names in the description box, so please go ahead and check that. So I used a very light shade and it did not match that much, so I went ahead and applied the darker shade to match everything, and I created an ombre kind of a look with this 2 lipstick. And I'm gonna set everything with my Smashbox primer water, and this is the complete makeup look. I'm just accessorizing myself with the jewels and bindi. So it's a beautiful neck piece. I have already shown in my Nika haul, so it was very nice. And this is the final makeup look, guys. Hope you enjoy watching this look. If you enjoy, please give this video a big thumbs up, and if you plan to recreate this look, please tag me on your social medias. And I really like this look, guys. It was very nice to create this kind of very intense dramatic look. So hope you like this look, guys. So thank you so much for watching, and happy Navratri. Have a great year ahead, and I'll see you in my next video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, take care. Mwah.